Vital statistics, exercise problems. First one, the population of a locality at the end of 2011 was 10 lakhs 5,000. There were 13,030 birth and 10,000 death in 2012, and the number of immigrant and emigrants were 65,000 and 20,000 respectively. Estimate the population at the end of 2012. Solution: population in the beginning of the year 2012. We know that the notation we can keep it as P naught. 10 lakh 5,000. Birth is denoted by B. 13,030. Death D equal to 10,000. Immigrant I equal to 65,000. Emigrant E equal to 20,000. Population at the end of 2012. We know that the population at any time T equal to P naught plus birth minus death plus immigrant minus immigrant. So read the question, whatever needed we wrote and substitute this. Then by adding we get 10,53,030. The population of a village was 8,000. There were 250 live births. Find the crude birth rate. Solution: given average population of a village is 8,000 and the number of births also is given as 250. We have to find the CBR. The formula is number of live birth in a year by average population in the year. That is 250 by 8,000 into 1000. If we simplify, we are getting 31.25. Third problem, the female population of childbearing age group in a city is 1,60,000. The number of live births in the year in the city is recorded as 2,480. Find the general fertility rate. Solution: given the total number of female population is 1,60,000 and number of live births is given as 2,480. We have to find the CBR. The formula is live birth by total number of women of childbearing age in the year. Childbearing age means 15 to 49. By substituting the given condition, 2,480 divided by 1,60,000 into 1000 equal to 15.5. Fourth problem, the population of a town was 16,000. There were 800 deaths in the year. Calculate crude death rate. Solution: given average population of a town equal to 16,000, the number of deaths equal to 800, we have to find CDR. Formula is number of death by average population. 800 by 16,000 into 1000, that is equal to 50. Fifth problem, in a particular city, 3,000 live births occurred. In a particular year, the number of neonatal death was 90. Calculate neonatal mortality rate. Solution: given total live birth is 3,000 and neonatal death is 90, we know the formula to find NMR. Death of neonatal by number of live births into 1000. By substituting 90 by 3000 into 1000, we get 30. Sixth problem. In a locality 10,000 live birth occurred. The number of infant death was 500. Calculate infant mortality rate. Solution. Given the total number of birth is 10,000 and the death among infant equal to 500, we have to find IMR, the number of death by live birth in the same year, that is 500 by 10,000 into 1000, that is equal to 50. Seventh problem. In a locality out of 10,000 live birth, 90 mothers died due to childbirth. Calculate maternal mortality rate. Solution. Given total number of birth is 10,000 and the mother death equal to 90, we have to find MMR, that is death of mother by number of birth. By substituting, we get 90 by 10,000 into 1000, that is equal to 9.